momshies and daddies out there, we have a good news. Melbourne has finally lifted the lockdown since October 26. And another good news is that my baby is finally 1 year old. Oh. Here he is, 1 year old. It's such a big relief that we have kept him safe from SIDS, or what we call sudden infant death syndrome. I know every parent, especially first-timers, we worry about it so much. I remember how tiring it was for me and for my husband, especially those sleepless nights. It was like never ending in the beginning. But now it feels like we only had a week of hardship and bang! He's already 1 year old. We actually planned for a picnic birthday party at the park, but we had to cancel it because of bad weather coming through. So we will just be celebrating his birthday at home. I know he won't remember this one, but we will still have to put up some decorations and take some photos for us to show him in the future how his birthday was celebrated. I actually created an email for him, so every time there are special occasions or special memories, I always send email to his one, and then when he gets older, I will give him the password so he can see what's happening while he can't remember those memories. And sometimes as well, like I'm feeling down because he's so being difficult, I have to write a letter to him and send it to his email. Here's our Star Balloon Column Kit from Kmart. I bought it for $10. It's so easy to put it together. First, I put the connectors together to the base, and then using a pump, I inflated first the 4 blue balloons which will go to the bottom. Each round holder holds 4 balloons, so just clip 1 balloon in each hole. When finished, just slide the holder through the connector tube. Just make sure to fill in the in-betweens of the balloons with the next layer. We bought this cake from Costco, which only costs $29. It can feed up to 40 people. It's really nice for the price.
He wants. Oh, stop. Oops. Oh, he's on his way. He thought it was one.
Look, Israel, you have money. $20. You like money?
Don't eat it.
Don't eat. From Longko, oh. What's that? Wow, oh.
Dinosaurs.
Israel, look. $100. From Kit and Oh, look. Ang ganda. Uy.
Oh, space needle.
He's not interested. Hey, he likes the toys. From Uncle Ken. Oh, Uncle Ken is friendship. Open, what's that? Oh, nice aqua park. And we have this too from Uncle Pat. Happy first birthday, Ezra.
Very special things.
Oh, Pinocchio. You wanna read that tonight?
Approved.
Approve.